If suddenly views stop on your channel, then definitely your channel has also been unfreezed. And I'm 100% sure you're going to thank me after watching this video, because I guarantee that if you apply all these steps correctly, then your channel will be unfreezed in 6 days. So let's come to our first step. Use trending audios. For this, first of all, you have to open the YouTube app. Then click on this plus icon. Now select this short you want to upload from here. For example, I select this video. And as soon as you click on done, you will see some interface like this. Simply click on this above option, add sound. As soon as you click, you will come to this page. Here you will get a lot of songs and music, but we only have to use trending audios. For this, simply go to the top sound option and click on this see more option. Now you can see how many shots have been made on this music, and whichever sound has the most shots, we have to use it. To select a song, tap on that song, and from here you can see an arrow will come, click on it, and now simply go to the speaker option and set your audio to 100%. And whatever song you have selected, set it to 0. And done. But bro, will our views increase by using such trending audios? The answer to this is yes, because by using trending audios, your shot starts ranking here too. And sometimes the shot starts going in the search of that trending audio which you have used. Means for example, suppose you use this song, and now some chances are that whenever someone searches this song, my video will also rank together. But it also has two side effects. Come, let's know them too. First, sometimes you have to give loyalty to the owner of the song. In short, you have to give some part of the revenue to the owner. And second point is that sometimes the audio of your video is also removed due to the song. Means in future, if the visibility of that song is turned off from YouTube, then automatically the audio of your short will also be turned off. So shouldn't we use this song feature? In this, my suggestion is that you should use this song feature only when your channel is fully freezed, like 0 views, 0 reach. But bro, how do I know whether my channel is freezed or not? You can admire these two things on your channel and know whether your channel is actually freezed or not. First, are there views on your recent short or not? Means, whenever you upload a new short, does it get views? For example, suppose I uploaded my first short and it got around 1.2k views. And the second short also got 2k views. Then suddenly, after that, whatever shot I uploaded, neither did it get views, nor did YouTube send it to anyone. This clearly means that my channel is fully freezed. But bro, why does this happen? There can be multiple reasons for this. For example, it is possible that you do not upload videos consistently. It is possible that you do not upload videos in the right timing and in the right way. And what I think is that YouTube's short algorithm is not as good as long form videos, because I have already worked on 20 plus short channels, and I know very well that sometimes for no reason YouTube pauses the reach of your short. And I think you must have noticed the reason for the bad algorithm. As soon as TikTok was banned in India, YouTube launched its short feature within a few months, while it was on the beta version, because YouTube had a very big opportunity to bring the audience of TikTok to its platform. And no doubt, YouTube was successful in this mission. Bro, I have a question. Some of my shorts have lost 10,000 views, but there are only 100 to 200 views on my maximum shorts. So has my channel been freezed or not? The answer to this is no. Your channel is absolutely right. So bro, why are the views coming so low? There can be two reasons here. First, it is possible that the swipe up ratio of your short is too high. Second, it is possible that you are not making videos on good topics. To improve the swipe up ratio, you will have to work on your intro. For example, use sound effects and hook points as much as possible in the intro. But bro, what is swipe up ratio and how much should it be? If I tell you in short, consider it like this. Suppose you uploaded a short and YouTube sent it to 100 people. Then 30 people scrolled up your short in 2 seconds and 60 people saw your short. So your viewed will be 60% and swipe up ratio will be 40%. And like the thumbnail, there is no exact number. If your swipe up or viewed ratio is this much, then your video will go viral. But if viewed is between 70 to 90, then it is considered good. Second point is, you are choosing undemandable topics. If 100 to 200 views are crossed on your video, then there is high chance that your channel is not freezed. You are just not making videos on good topics. So explore as much as possible and try to make videos on trending topics, for which you can also use Google Trends. Let's come to our next point, which is thumbnails and logos. No, I'm not talking about the thumbnail of long videos. I'm talking about the thumbnail of short videos. Bro, when did the thumbnail start on the short video? And all the views on the short videos come from the short speed. So what is the use of the thumbnail? Who said that all the views come from the short speed? Come, I will show you live. Simply open your YT Studio, click on Analytics, go to Content, select the short option and go to Top Shot and click on this See More option. Here you can clearly see how much CTR is coming from which shot of yours and what are the total impressions and all. It is known that the views on the shorts come by click. But bro, how do you put a thumbnail on the shorts? Because there is no option to put it here. It is very simple. Whenever you upload a short, you must have seen a pencil icon here. Simply click on it and whatever frame you want to make your thumbnail, drag it from here and select it. By the way, if you don't put the logo of your channel on your shots, then start putting it from today because this makes it very easy for viewers to recognize your channel. By the way, if you want to know how many shots should be uploaded in a day or in a month or at what timing the shot should be uploaded, then write short timing in the comments. I will make the video soon. Back to point. Let's come to our next and most important point with which 99% chances are that if you apply it correctly, then you will be unfreezed within a week. For this, you will need 5 to 6 friends. And if there are more than this, then it is better. First of all, you have to make a WhatsApp group. You have to add all your friends to it and tell everyone that as soon as I upload a short, you have to watch it within an hour. But by mistake, don't share the link of your video on the group. But brother, how will I watch without sharing the link? Let me tell you. For example, assume you have added 10 friends to the group. Then first of all, you tell everyone the name of your channel. And now around 3 to 4 people have to say that you search my channel and watch my recent shorts. And 2-3 people have to say that you go to the subscriber feeds and watch my shorts. And the rest of the remaining people have to say that you search the title of my shorts and watch my video. 99% chances are if you do all the steps in the right way, then you will come to say thanks to me. By watching this video, you can know how to upload videos in the right way. I will see you there. Bye.